Alright, so we are going to be looking at evaluating functions. Now, when you see the word evaluate, that literally means solve. So what you're going to do is you are going to solve. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and solve this function. We're going to create a table first for our x and y values. It says we need to use 0 through 4 for our x values. We're going to plug those in for x in our function and then get a y from there. So if we plug in 0, we get 2 times 0 squared minus 10, which is 0 minus 10, so that is a negative 10. And that's going to be my y value. If I plug in a 1 next, that's 2 times 1 squared minus 10. So that is 2 minus 10, negative 8. And then the negative 8 goes there with that one. If I plug in the 2 next, 2 times 2 squared minus 10, that is 4 times 2, that's 8 minus 10, so that gives you negative 2. And then, there we go. All right, and then if we plug in 3, 2 times 3 squared minus 10, so that's 9 times 2, 18 minus 10, that gives you 8. And then the last point is a 4, so plug in that 4. 2 times 4 squared minus 10. That is 32 minus 10, gives us 22. And that is it for this problem. Don't overthink it. Trust your gut, trust your instincts. Plug those x values into your function to get a y value.